Today, we'll see how to deploy TOSCA on your local system. For detailed developer documentation, check the GitHub repository. To start, go to the TOSCA 2 deployment repository. The main requirement is having Docker active on your system. If you don't have it, you'll need to install Docker Desktop. First, download the necessary files from GitHub. Go to the downloaded folder and extract the zip file. Then copy the unwillable file and rename it to unwill. Open this environment file with a text editor like Notepad. We need a map tiler key for the base map of the application. Go to the link in the documentation, click on My Cloud, and sign in. Then go to API keys. Either use the default keys or create a new one for our application. Once the key is created, copy it and paste it into the designated spot in the env file. Then save the file. The GeoServer data folder is designated for uploading raw data to GeoServer. If you are managing all data through GeoServer, you should place vector or raster data here. Alternatively, adjust the Docker compose file to include other file paths from your computer. After completing the setup, run the PowerShell scripts created for users. If you're deploying TOSCA for the first time, start the system with the build script. When finished, use the stop script to shut down TOSCA as it consumes computer resources. We recommend shutting it down when not in use. For subsequent uses, run the start application script. To avoid errors with PowerShell scripts, you need to apply certain permissions. If scripts don't run despite initial setup, open PowerShell in administrator mode. Execute the command in the documentation, press A and hit enter to confirm. Then run the build script in PowerShell. The installation time may vary depending on your computer specifications. Once you've successfully installed TOSCA on the command line, you can access the TOSCA web application through your local browser at port 8000 181 GeoServer. Please follow the link provided in the documentation. In the next section, we'll cover how to upload data to GeoServer.